Welcome to the Morningdew Media channel. My name is Mattias and I'm your guide in this channel of music, sound design and creativity. Why this channel? I created this channel because I wanted to bring my interests in design, technology and music in a single platform. I've been a professional artist, composer and designer for over 20 years, and I've scored several films, games and commercial projects. Heck, I even designed a few apps. And I want to share all my tricks with you to help you grow as a producer and artist. So, what are the topics we cover? Well, we cover a broad spectrum of topics, from DAW-specific workflows and techniques to more general workflows and tips. We talk about new gear, new software, new plugins. We discuss composition, music production, music theory, sound design, brand design, and general workflows and best practices. We cover everything you need to know to get inspired and level up your music production skills. While we have several videos on Bitwig Studio and Logic Pro X, we also look at other music softwares and plugins with reviews on new important releases and updates. And we have this highly acclaimed Bitwig Basics series. It's a great starting point if you want to learn the basics of workflows and different techniques to get the most out of Bitwig Studio. Yeah, so I'd love to have you around on this channel, so be sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification button down here. It's very important because if you hit the bell, you get the notifications when we have new videos online. And finally, we have the Creative Booster Guide. If you sign up at morningdewmedia.com to the Morningdew Media weekly newsletter, there's a link in the description, you will get a free Creative Booster Guide with tons of tips to level up your creative skills and mindset. Okay, thanks for your time, don't forget to sign up, subscribe, hit the bell, and see you in the next video. Thanks for your time and bye.